Hey, welcome back to another video only here on Telculp guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can download a PDF file that's on a view only option. So if someone sends you a view only option PDF file, this is how you can download it. So let's quickly open this up. And as you can see, normally there's a download option right here. Now what you want to do is you want to open Google Docs. And then once this opens up, you can simply download the file right here on File, and then click Download and choose whatever file format you want to download it to. Now, another option is by clicking these three dots right here, More Actions, and then just click on Download. And then instantly that will now download the file to your computer. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in downloading your PDF file. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos only here on Telculp Guy.